Good morning, Mr. Eko, Mrs. Lisa, Mr. Donti, and my fellow participant. It is a pleasure to be here today, and my name is Widya Ramasari. I work as Legal Metrology Officer or PENERA for Jakarta Provincial Government. Today, I like to share my presentation entitled Measuring Trust, the Role of Legal Metrology in Everyday Life. Before we begin, let me briefly show you about today's presentation. My presentation is divided into 4 parts. First, I will explain why accurate measurements are important in our everyday life. Second, I'll introduce legal metrology in Jakarta and explain the role of verification officer or PENERA. Third, I'll share the service that we provide to the public. And finally, I'll show some static and achievement from 2025 that reflects the work of our office. Now, let's move to the first topic. I'd like you to look at these pictures. Shopping, buying fuels, purchasing gold, or paying your electricity and water bill are part of our everyday life. Although these activities are different, they all have one thing in common. They all depend on measuring instrument. For example, we use a weighing scale at the market, a fuel dispenser at a gas station, and water and electricity meter at home. Every day, we trust this instrument to give us the correct measurement. But who makes sure they are accurate? The answer is legal metrology. If we look at this diagram, as you can see, every commercial transaction depends on measuring instrument. Legal metrology ensures these instruments are accurate through verification and re-verification. As a result, customers receive the correct quantity, business compete fairly, and people can trust the transaction they make every day. So accurate measurements are not just about number. They protect customer, support fair trade, and build public trust. Now that we understand why accurate measurement matter, let's see how legal metrology works in Jakarta. Legal metrology is the science of measurement regulated by the law to protect the public interest. In Jakarta, this responsibility is carried out by our legal metrology office. As a legal metrology officer or PENERA, my colleagues and I verify and re-verify measuring instruments used in commercial transactions. We also apply official verification seal and marks to instruments that meet legal requirements. Currently, our office has 35 verification officers to help ensure accurate measurement throughout Jakarta. So, what service do we actually provide and what kind of measuring instrument do we work with? Our office provides verification, re-verification, and calibration service for measuring instrument. Verification and re-verification are part of our legal metrology responsibility. That is to ensure the accuracy of measuring instrument used in trade meet the legal requirement. We also provide calibration services to support measurement accuracy, but in other applications. Our services cover many types of measuring instruments. As you can see in this slide, we work with weighing scale, fuel dispenser, water meter, electricity meter, taximeter, parking meter, EV charging station, and many more. To make this service accessible, our services are divided into 3 types based on where the verification takes place. The first services is our office service. Customers bring their measuring instrument to our office for verification, re-verification, or calibration. This service is usually used for instruments that are easy to move, such as weighing scale and other portable instruments. However, not all measuring instruments can be brought to our office. For large or fixed measuring instruments, we provide on-site service. Instead of bringing the instrument to us, our officer go directly to the customer location. For example, we verified fuel dispenser at gas station, parking meter, storage tank, and EV charging station on its location. This allows us to verify the instrument without interrupting its daily operation. Besides serving individual businesses, we also provide service directly to in traditional markets. Another important service is our market re-verification service. On this program, our officer visit traditional market across Jakarta to verify the traders' weighing instrument. This makes the process easier because traders do not need to come to our office. More importantly, this service is one of is one of ways we bring the legal methodology more accessible for Jakarta society. Now that you've seen what we do and how we provide our service, let's look at the result of our work in 2025. Now, I'd like to share some of our work in 2025. During the year, our office verified more than 700,000 measuring instruments across Jakarta. As you can see from this chart, the largest category is water meter, followed by weighing instrument, gas meter, and electricity meter. These numbers show that legal metrology is involved in many parts of our everyday life. As I said on the previous slide, we also carry out verification program in traditional market. In 2025, our team visited more than 150 traditional market across Jakarta. During this visit, we re-verified more than 23,000 weighing instruments. This program helped traders continue using accurate weighing scale and give customer confidence that they receive the correct quantity when buying goods. It's also one of the ways we bring our services closer to Jakarta community. Traditional markets are not the only place we verified measuring instrument. Fuel dispensers are also an important part of our work. In addition, we verified more than 350 public gas stations throughout Jakarta. This included more than 7,600 fuel dispenser nozzles. Every verified fuel dispenser helps make sure that customers receive the correct amount of fuel for the price they paid. This is another example of how legal methodology supports fair and transparent transactions. These activities are not only reflected in number, but also the recognition we have received. We are proud that our work has been recognized by the Ministry of Trade of Republic of Indonesia. Our office has received the Daerah Tertib Ukur and Pasar Tertib Ukur awards 4 times in a row since 2022. These awards show our commitment to improve measurement accuracy, protect customer, and provide quality public services. They also encourage us to continue improving our services for people of Jakarta. Finally, I like to conclude my presentation with one key message. Today, we've seen that accurate measurement are an important part of our everyday life. Behind every accurate measurement is legal methodology working to protect customer, promote fair trade, and build public trust. Through these services and achievement of our office, we continue to support fair and reliable transaction across Jakarta. So next time you buy fuel, shop for grocery, or pay your utility bill, I hope you remember that behind every accurate measurement is legal methodology, measuring not only quantity but also trust. Thank you for your attention. I'll be happy to answer your question.